From San Francisco, home of many of the world's leading medical, scientific, and biotechnology institutions, we present Dr. Perricone's Special Edition.
I've always been curious, can vitamins and minerals affect the way you look?
All right. Wonderful question. And yes, as a matter of fact, what we take into our bodies profoundly affects the way we look. Starting with just diet. Remember, I talked about inflammation, and I said that inflammation is the key here. We know that by eating foods that are actually anti-inflammatory, for example, salmon with omega-3s. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that are anti-inflammatory. And avoiding those foods that are pro-inflammatory, and that's anything that will cause a rapid rise in your blood sugar, causes an insulin response, and that causes damage to our cells. So what we want to do is we want to, of course, eat the anti-inflammatory diet, but what about nutritional supplements? I mean, we've been told time and time again by our physicians, the experts, that vitamins do not make a difference in your health or your skin. I think there's a tremendous amount of data that exists right now, very good data of some very good studies that show that taking nutritional supplements is an added benefit and you can help your skin. And some of the targeted nutritional supplements actually can protect us from, for example, ultraviolet radiation damage. We've done studies looking at vitamin C and vitamin E and coenzyme Q10 and alpha-lipoic acid. They all have protective abilities. So what we want to do is we want to maximize the whole preventive aspect here. We want to maximize it through what we eat, and then through the second level of the program, which is nutritional supplements. Of course, the third level of the program is taking anti-inflammatories, putting them directly on the skin, and we'll talk about that a little bit later.
My dermatologist told me that diet plays no role in my acne, but I've noticed when I eat certain foods, I definitely have flare-ups.
Okay. Once again, that's an observation that many of my patients have made, and you're absolutely right. Diet does make a difference. For example, if we eat something that causes a rise in our blood sugar, that causes a burst of inflammation in every cell in our bodies. And the skin is just another organ system, it's integrated.